Hey, it's Scott from Cushie Audio. Get asked about Honda Accord Euro units all the time. So, went out and found one, because that's what I do, in case you hadn't noticed. Alright, today we're going to have a bit of a play. We've got the Grom USB 3. Got it hooked up to the Bluetooth dongle, which comes with a little microphone. Just got it sitting here on the bench for now. Got my boy's iPod plugged in through the USB input. Phone paired through Bluetooth. Let's take it for a test drive, hey? Alright, keys on. iPod starts charging. Music starts playing. Now when it's going through USB, you can change playlists as well. I don't think he's got many. He has got different playlists on his iPod. Change tracks. Probably got these buttons on your steering wheel as well. They're the buttons that you use to answer calls as well. Answer, reject, and hang up. I'll show you. Watch this. Bear with me for a second. Enjoy some stranglers while I'm dialing. So a call comes through, pauses the music. Alright, answer, hang up, which is what I'm going to do, or sorry, reject the call. And just like Grom magic, the music starts again by itself. Now, if you're a Siri user, you're going to like this. Set a reminder to buy a Grom unit for my other car as well.
Okay, I added my Grom unit of my other car as well to your reminders.
Thanks, Siri. Ain't she great? Okay, go away. Just like magic. Now, I've got 10 folders of music on here. I'll plug that in. Look. 9. It will go up to 99. Okay, playlist 10. And back to playlist 1. Find something a bit more suitable. Playlist 2. Another good thing with these Honda units, you might be listening to the radio and not have it turned on at all. And if a call comes through, if a call comes through, just driving along, minding your own business, enjoying some peace and quiet, and quietness is shattered. Look, turns on by itself. How cool is that? It'll also do that if you're listening to the radio. Okay, I'm going to reject that call again. Oh no, let's answer it and see what happens. We'll probably get a bit of feedback. Hello, can I hear me? Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Yes. All right. Nice talking to you. Thank you, bye. And away she goes. Doesn't get better than that. Thanks for watching.
I love technology.